Well, hey, what's up, everybody? We got the whole family, and we're going to take you on our chore journey today, and we're going to show you all the different chores we do around the farm, and it should be fun and complete chaos at the same time. So, join us. You guys ready?
Yeah. My kitties are running over here.
Okay, here we go. To the barn! Go!
Oh, you almost punched off my pumpkin.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to feed the pigs, and Camden and Cortland are loading buckets, kind of. They're loading the floor. Should be fun. What are you doing with that watermelon?
Well, we're gonna feed it to the pigs. We were too late, and the chickens are on the feed. I had to feed the cats, which just want strawberry.
Okay, go feed the pigs real quick. Alright,
It's jumping on me. It's jumping.
Alright, throw it over the fence. Go feed the pigs. Camden, help him.
1, 2, 3.
Alright. Alright, Cam, let's go ahead and mix feed for pigs. So, why don't you take 2 buckets back there, and I want you to fill it all the way full with corn. Let's do 3 buckets of corn.
2 buckets.
Alright, Court, go help Cam get corn, okay?
I'll need my shovel too.
Yep. Yeah, I'll bring it.
Which
Nope.
way do I go?
Over there.
Okay.
Corn is.
Court.
Cam, can you help Kennedy? Can you help Kennedy load corn, please? You gonna carry that, big man? Huh? Are you gonna carry that? Pick it up! Pick it up! Not quite, huh? Okay. Hey, let's race. I will go all the way down and feed pigs before you girls get 3 buckets of corn full. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. So the girls are loading corn for me, and we're gonna make some pig feed, and I'm gonna take this down to the hogs. 2 buckets in one hand. CrossFit, what a joke. We used to farm, you know? What happened to that? All right, for the walk. Now, probably like, 1/8 of a mile walk to the pigs. Pretty close. So these are our pigs on pasture, or pigs in the forest, I guess. Helping clean out all these walnut and pecan trees here. Good source of fat and protein. So yeah, anybody can put a pig, a family pig. Go buy your grain directly from the farmer, mix your own feed, put 200 pounds of pork in the freezer with minimal effort. It's awesome. All right, now back to the chickens. So You got 3.5 buckets of corn.
4.5.
No, that's 3.5. So you're a bucket behind.
What?
Yeah, that's only 3. 1, 2, 3.5. I need 4.5. Tell you what.
I thought you said a half. So this is the 4th half.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Fill this one all the way up. And I'll continue to mix these. Good job, babe. You did a really nice job.
I can fill this baby up.
All right, Kennedy, I need you to help scoop oats for me. Come here. I'm gonna put you.
Go.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in the bin.
What?
I'm gonna put you in the bin.
Daddy, I'm almost done.
Go ahead and fill that bucket all the way up.
Okay, maybe not close to the
What is it?
spider.
It's a spider? We'll put it in the bucket and we'll feed it to the pigs. We'll turn it into bacon. There you go.
Got it. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Get it. Put it
Oh, I did it.
That's a harmless grass spider. Alright, oats. Getting it?
Holy cow, I'm
There we
pushing
go.
the bottom, I
Now we're
think.
getting somewhere. So yeah, here we go. 3 days worth of pig feed and layer feed that we just mixed up, and Kennedy is stuck. Come on! Come on! Jump! Hey, there you go. Oh! She's figuring it out. So we're gonna fill these up with water and let them take on water for about 24 hours, and then the pigs will slap it right up. Whole corn, whole soybeans, and whole oats. So there we go.
Wow. Yeah. It's dumbing out one and the other one.
Oh boy.
Let me do it, Court.
Are you helping, buddy?
Court, let me do it.
He's doing fine, Kennedy.
I want to do
Is there a lot left down there?
Maybe, I don't know.
Okay. Why don't you go feed baby chicks, and I'll go feed chicks in the pasture. Go feed the baby chicks in the barn. You and Kennedy. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
You didn't waste so much.
Yeah, they, not me. If they dig it out and then leave it there. So we are carrying food back to
Further away from your face.
the backyard so that we can grind feed. And as you can see, Dad has 3 buckets. I have this little bucket right here. Here, hold on a sec. I need to put this on my...
So Camden is going to, hey Cam? Camden! Yeah, I'll let Camden do it. That's change. Our routine a little bit. Hey, when I pull forward, I want you to check under the trailer. Hey, we're gonna move forward. Oh, almost locked me out. Woo! Smart, baby. Everybody hanging on?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. There go the ducks. farmer's driver's ed now. All right, straighten it out. Good job. Is that fun?
I don't want to learn how to drive.
You can barely scope this.
Leaving?
Oh man, I'm getting old fast. My kids are driving me around the pasture. Alright, so we're gonna milk back quick. Real quick, like real quick. Cam, tell us about Josie.
Well, Josie is our milk cow, and the only thing she only has a name because she is our milk cow, and that is a milk cow
Her name
too.
is
But
Josie.
look at her teeth; they're like way low.
Yeah, that's Oakley.
Yeah, that's an oak.
Look at Josie's teeth.
No, Josie's
Teeth?
warm.
She's a sweetheart.
Yeah, she is.
All right, let's do this. I'll get her ready to get stood up and milk.
Good.
You go get Court out of the truck,
Is it
and
girl
let's
or
meet back
boy?
here.
Oh yeah, it's a girl.
Yep. You don't milk boys, right? All right.
So that's a dog. Yep, big.
Okay. You just hold. Nope. Right under here. Right under here. No, you just hold on to her right there. Carson, you pet her. Okay. Good boy. I can pet her like that.
Hey, Dad, I don't do that.
No, Kennedy, don't lead her. Just hold her right
Dad,
there.
I don't do that.
Okay, you squirt the teeth and I'll wash it off, okay?
Hi.
Cam, how's it going?
Good.
Carson, what are you doing, bub?
I'm just letting her sell put in the wall.
Uh-huh. Say good cow. Good cow. Say milk cow. Josie. Are you gonna be a cowboy? Look at that. You know what that cow means to me? This calf right here was laying half dead on the sale barn floor one day, and the auctioneer sold him for $25 because he wasn't looking good. So I brought him home and I hooked him up to that dairy cow right over there, Oakley. She's one of the best mothers I've ever seen. Back, yeah. Come on, yeah. And that cow nursed this calf back to life, and now okay. Beautiful. All right, girls, how's it coming? Kennedy, how you doing?
Great.
Daddy, this tea is totally out.
No way.
Yeah.
Kennedy, how's yours doing?
Great.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Our milk. We're headed back to the house to go put it in jars, put it in the cooler. Maybe we can make some cheese this afternoon or some butter. Okay, let's fill up the other jar. Last night. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, take their milk down. Yep. Everybody take their milk down. Here we go. It's been a awesome transition having all our own raw milk in the house so we can have homemade butter and our own cheese, a sack full of mozzarella cheese sticks, and all of this fresh yogurt so we can have fresh fruit. And
Store-bought fruit.
yeah, that's
Yeah, fresh fruit is so yum.
yeah.
Yeah, I wish our food was already good. I just want real. And where do I put it?
All right, time for driving lessons number 3. Go left. There we go. And down the hill we go. All right, good job. Go ahead and take your buckets out to the barn. Not on your bike.